What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. As you can see today, we got an unboxing, and just so you guys know how committed I am to this channel, I haven't opened these, and I got these like a week ago. So I've been waiting to open it in real time and give you my actual genuine reaction on how I feel about the boots. So let's get started. So these are a pair of Demeulemeester boots that I just got on sale from Yokes, YOOX. I'm gonna leave it here just so you guys can see. I actually had these on my wish list on the List app. If you guys don't know what List is, it's just an app that you can save the stuff that you want and they'll notify you when they go on sale. This is not an ad, but List, if you're watching this, let's talk. Sponsor the videos. Anyways, these are my second pair of Demeulemeester boots. I have a pair already, and I don't really like them as much. I like the way they fit sometimes, and sometimes I don't like the way they fit. I feel like they're too long in the front. I don't know if that's just those boots, or maybe it's just all of the Demeulemeester boots, but we're about to find out now. If I get to open this box today, because I don't know how to open this. One second. That's a little better. Let's crack this open. Okay, this is how it goes. Alright. So we got this tissue paper that came off. Eco box, eco-friendly. I'll probably use this to ship some of my other boxes when I sell my shoes. We don't need this. And here's the look of the box. Looks just like the other Demeulemeester boots. Very nice, matte black. Let's read this, see if you got my right size. And it is a 42, so they got my size right. Let's open these. I'm gonna give you an exclusive here, so stick this out. Nice dust bag. We got not one, but two dust bags. No branding on the dust bags. Very nice suede feel to them, and the time you all been waiting for. Da-da-da-da. Oh no, these are nice. These are very nice. Let me give you a closer look. So here they are. They have this very nice toe cap situation going on here. I feel like when they crease, they're gonna look very nice. I like my boots creased. I don't know why. I just feel like it shows character. And I like this very nice bottom sole. It feels like they're not even tried on, which the other boots came like a little bit like looked like they were used. I don't know why, but they were the last pair available. These were the last pair available as well. YKK zipper. You make it easier to put them on. Very nice leather feel. Very sturdy. Back tab here. Side. The front. Very nice boot overall. The other ones I feel like they're very long here, maybe because they just go up to here and then go up. It makes it look longer, but let's see how these look on feet. Alright, so I never do unboxing videos, and this was like a pretty fast video. And I had no idea what to do next. I don't even watch videos with like unboxing that much, other than when I get a pair of shoes and I'm really excited, so I'll go and check them out to see what other people think about it. But it just came to my mind that I'm gonna go and put a fit together, so you guys can see how they actually look, and I'll give you a close-up as well, so I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the fit, all black. I got lazy, so I just put all black together. We got leather pants, Prada long sleeve that I bought off of Grilled, and the boots. Here's how they look. Bam. Here's the side look. And let me give you a close-up. Alright, so final thoughts on the boots. So I'll probably be sending these back. I don't really like them as much. I feel like they're really long in the front as well. I really like the other ones that I have more, and they're pretty much the same. The other one just has a harness here and a flat sole, which I actually like better. So I'm gonna be sending these back. Let me know if you want them before I send them back. Comment down below. They're a size 42, and it'll be a decent price. So let me know if you want them. They're brand new. They're not even creased or anything. I also want to talk about sizing with Demeulemeester. I definitely recommend you go half a size down. They fit a little roomy, these, and the same as the other ones. I didn't want to talk about sizing just by owning one boot. So now that I've tried 2 pairs on from Demeulemeester, I can definitely tell you, go half a size down and they'll fit perfectly. Otherwise, they'll look a little longer. I'm one of those people that like their shoes to fit with a little bit of room, but these just are a little bit too much, so definitely go half a size down and they'll feel perfect. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed it, as always, please give me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts on the boots. If you own a pair, let me know if you're having the same problems, and I'll see you guys in the next video.